What would happen when you put random items into your microwave? Let's find out. Welcome to our channel. Today we've come up with a list of items that we think will be entertaining and safe to test out in a microwave. No long talking, let's get started. First up, we have a cucumber. This green little guy is going to get hot in there. Let's put it in for about a minute. Okay, the cucumber is done. Let's see what happened. Oh, it's dripping water everywhere. It looks like the heat caused the cucumber to release some of its water. Interesting. Next, we have some mushrooms. These guys are going to get hot and steamy. Let's put them in and see what happens. All right, the mushrooms are done. Let's take them out and see what happened. It seems like they lost all their water inside. They are super squishy and extremely hot, but still perfectly edible. Now we have some blueberries. These little guys are going to get hot and juicy. Let's pop them in the microwave and see what happens. Wow, that smells amazing. The blueberries are done. Let's take them out and see what's up. Whoa, they melted and turned into a liquid. I did not expect that at all. I wonder if this would make a good blueberry sauce for pancakes. All right, now we have a hard-boiled egg. This one is going to be exciting because we have no idea what's going to happen. Let's put it in and find out. Let's see that again in slow motion. Oh my goodness, it exploded in the microwave. There's egg everywhere. In case you have a cold egg left over, never try to warm it up in your microwave. Hey, but at least it's warm now. Am I right? Please comment down below if you knew this would happen. Last but not least, we have aluminum foil. This one is going to be interesting. Let's put it in and see what happens. Okay, the aluminum foil is done. Let's take it out and see what's up. For some reason it didn't do anything. I'm not sure why, maybe there wasn't enough metal for the microwave to react with. But that's a good reminder to always be careful with what you put in the microwave. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what happens when you put everyday objects in the microwave. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun experiments like this. See you in the next one.